In 2026, a high-performance machete is your most vital survival asset for shelter building and defense. This year's top picks have evolved far beyond simple blades, incorporating laser-cut alloys and multifunctional sawbacks that can endure extreme abuse. Whether you're navigating dense jungle or prepping a bug-out bag, you need a tool that balances weight, reach, and raw chopping power. Let's dive into the 10 ultimate survival machetes dominating the field this year. The Way Machete with saw is a dual-purpose survival powerhouse designed to conquer the thickest brush and the toughest campsite tasks. This versatile tool eliminates the need for a separate saw, featuring an aggressive serrated spine that makes short work of limbs and timber. It features a massive 18.5-inch blade crafted from high-quality 4,4C stainless steel. This alloy provides superior corrosion resistance and edge retention in harsh environments. The overall length reaches 25 inches, giving you incredible reach and chopping leverage. Despite its intimidating size, it remains surprisingly agile, weighing in at approximately 20.2 ounces. The ergonomic rubber handle ensures a non-slip grip even in wet conditions. Complete with a heavy-duty nylon sheath, this machete is an essential multifunctional asset for any 2026 survival kit. The Purple Dragon heavy-duty machete is a brutal fusion of traditional craftsmanship and raw survival power. Hand-forged with a distinctive hammer texture, this blade is designed for those who need a heavy-hitting tool that doubles as a collector's piece. Unlike standard thin stamped machetes, this tool features a dragon body bone structure, providing massive structural integrity for high-impact chopping, bone-crushing tasks, and clearing the thickest brush. It features 8.2-inch clip-point blade crafted from high-carbon steel, boasting an incredible thickness of 6 millimeters. The overall length is 15 inches, making it a compact powerhouse for dense vegetation. Despite its manageable size, it is a heavyweight in its class, weighing in at 1.57 pounds. Complete with a handcrafted solid wood sheath, the Purple Dragon is a relentless, stylish beast. The Mossy Oak 19-inch machete is a powerhouse of utility designed for the modern survivalist and gardener alike. This heavy-duty tool is engineered to tackle the most demanding outdoor challenges, from clearing thick jungle vegetation to precise yard work. It balances a classic aesthetic with the rugged durability required for 2026 standards, making it a reliable companion for bushcraft and camping. It features an 11.5-inch blackened blade crafted from high-quality carbon steel, boasting a thickness of 0.09 inch for optimal slicing and chopping performance. The overall length is a substantial 19 inches, providing excellent reach while maintaining control. Despite its sturdy build, it is surprisingly easy to carry, weighing in at just 17.11 ounces. Complete with a reinforced Oxford cloth sheath and an ergonomic non-slip handle, this machete is a versatile and essential field tool. The Odin Wolf W machete is a specialized survival powerhouse that blurs the line between a heavy-duty field knife and a full-sized brush clearer. For 2026, it stands out as an elite choice for bushcraft enthusiasts who require a tool capable of both brute force chopping and nuanced carving. This is achieved through its unique dual bevel blade design, featuring a specialized section near the handle for fine tasks and a broad belly for high-impact splitting. It features a razor-sharp 9.5-inch blade crafted from premium D2 steel, providing exceptional edge retention. The overall length of the tool is 16.5 inches with a robust blade thickness of 0.2 inches. Despite its full tang strength and ergonomic black canvas micarta handle, it remains balanced for high-impact chopping. Weighing in at 24 ounces, complete with a heavy-duty kydex sheath, the Way Machete is a relentless outdoor essential. The Tops Storm Vector is a modern masterpiece that pays homage to the legendary Viking Seox, reimagined for the brutal demands of 2026 survival. Designed by Top CEO Leo Espinoza, this isn't just a large knife, it's a specialized short and machete hybrid built for clearing trails, processing heavy timber, and tactical field use. It features a massive 12.63-inch blade crafted from 1095 high-carbon steel, finished with an acid rain or sniper gray coating for added protection. The overall length is a commanding 18.25 inches with a substantial blade thickness of 0.25 inches. Despite its full tang strength and ergonomic black canvas micarta handle, it remains balanced for high-impact chopping. Weighing in at 24 ounces, complete with a heavy-duty kydex sheath, the Storm Vector is a relentless, historic-inspired powerhouse. The Condor Tool and Knife Parang Machete is a versatile and powerful tool designed for serious survivalists and outdoor enthusiasts. Inspired by traditional Southeast Asian machetes, its 17.5-inch 1075 high-carbon steel blade offers exceptional durability and cutting power, making it perfect for clearing thick vegetation, processing wood, and general survival tasks. The full tang construction ensures superior strength, while the walnut wood handle provides a comfortable and secure grip even during extended use. Weighing around 1.9 pounds, it delivers a balanced feel, allowing for efficient swings without excessive strain. This machete comes with a high-quality handcrafted leather sheath, offering both protection and convenience for carrying in the field. Whether you're navigating dense jungle terrain or preparing for an emergency situation, the Condor Parang Machete is built to handle tough environments with ease. A must-have for anyone looking for a rugged and reliable survival machete. The Cold Steel Magnum Cookery Machete is a powerhouse survival tool designed for those who need serious chopping power. With its 17-inch 1055 carbon steel blade, this machete combines durability with exceptional edge retention, making it perfect for cutting through thick brush, small trees, and tough survival tasks. Its cookery design enhances cutting efficiency by delivering deep, powerful chops with minimal effort. The full tang construction ensures strength, while the textured polypropylene handle provides a secure non-slip grip even in wet conditions. Weighing just over 1.1 pounds, the Magnum Cooker is lightweight enough for extended use without fatigue, yet heavy-duty enough to handle demanding outdoor conditions. It also comes with a Corax sheath, allowing for easy and safe carry. Whether you're clearing trails, processing firewood, or preparing for survival situations, the Cold Steel Magnum Cookery Machete is a reliable and affordable choice for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists alike.
The Gerber Gator Bolo Machete is a modern take on the traditional Filipino bolo. Designed for heavy-duty chopping and clearing tasks, its 15.5-inch full-tang high-carbon steel blade delivers impressive cutting power, making it ideal for slicing through thick vegetation, branches, and even small trees with ease. The curved blade design enhances momentum with each swing, maximizing efficiency while reducing user fatigue. Its gator grip handle provides a secure, non-slip hold, ensuring comfort and control even in wet or sweaty conditions. For easy portability and protection, the Gerber Gator Bolo Machete includes a durable nylon sheath with a belt loop for convenient carry. Whether you're in the wilderness, clearing trails, or preparing for survival situations, this machete is built to perform. With its blend of power, balance, and reliability, the Gerber Gator Bolo Machete is a solid choice for anyone needing a rugged tool for outdoor adventures or survival scenarios. The SOG Sawback Machete is a versatile survival tool designed for tackling a wide range of outdoor tasks. With an 18-inch 3CR13 stainless steel blade, it offers an excellent balance between durability and flexibility, making it perfect for chopping, clearing brush, and slicing through tough materials. What sets the Sawback apart is its sawback spine, which allows for efficient sawing of branches and small logs, adding extra functionality to an already capable machete. The Crichton rubber handle provides a secure grip, ensuring comfort and control even during extended use. Lightweight yet powerful, the Sawback is designed for adventurers, survivalists, and campers who need a reliable cutting tool. It also includes a lanyard hole for easy carrying and a nylon sheath for safe storage. Whether you're blazing trails, preparing firewood, or handling survival situations, the Sawback Machete is a dependable choice for any outdoor enthusiast. The bare-bones Nata tool is a fusion of Japanese craftsmanship and modern, rugged utility. Designed for bushcraft, survival, and heavy-duty outdoor tasks. Inspired by the traditional Japanese Nata hatchet, this tool features a 12-inch high-carbon steel blade, delivering impressive chopping and splitting power while maintaining excellent control. Its full-tang construction ensures durability, making it ideal for cutting through wood, clearing brush, and even processing firewood. One of its standout features is the comfortable walnut handle, which provides a secure grip and a natural aesthetic that blends traditional elegance with raw functionality. The balanced weight distribution allows for precision cuts and powerful swings, making it versatile for both delicate and demanding tasks. With a protective sheath for safe carrying, the bare-bones Nata tool is an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and woodworkers who appreciate a robust yet refined cutting tool built to withstand the test of time.